Everyone wants to be successful, but most people are focused on the wrong thing. They obsess over goals, not systems. Your goal might be to get fit, grow your business, or ace that exam. But if your daily habits are weak, your goal is just a fantasy. James Clear said something brutally true in Atomic Habits. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Think about it. Everyone sets goals. Winners do. Losers do too. So what's the difference? The system. If you don't design your habits, you're designing your failures. James Clear explains a powerful formula. Small habits plus consistency. Explosive results. He calls it the compound effect. The same way interest grows in a bank account, your habits multiply over time. Here's the math. If you get just 1% better every day, you become 37 times better in 1 year. That's how transformation really happens, not through one big breakthrough, but thousands of small wins stacking up. The problem isn't that people don't work hard. The problem is they work hard on the wrong system.
Example, you say, I want to get fit, but your habits? Late night junk food and skipped workouts. You say, I want to be successful, but your routine? Endless scrolling, zero focus, and no structure.
Atomic Habits teaches that environment beats motivation. If your phone is always next to your bed, distraction is automatic. But if you charge it in another room, temptation disappears. Stop relying on willpower, build systems that make the right choice easy. James Clear gives us 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. 2. Make it attractive. 3. Make it easy. 4. Make it satisfying. Start ridiculously small. 5 push-ups, 1 page of reading, 10 minutes of deep work. Don't chase perfection. Chase consistency. That's how real change compounds. Success isn't magic. It's compound interest on your habits. So tomorrow, don't write another goal. Write a system. And if you want me to break down the 4 laws of behavior change in detail, comment below. System mode on. Because before we chase the dream, we fix the habits.